Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to configure QUIC protocol settings in Google Chrome step by step in 2026. If you've experienced connection issues, page loading errors, or network instability in Chrome, the QUIC protocol might be involved. Adjusting this setting can sometimes improve stability and performance. Let's begin. First, open Google Chrome. Click on the address bar and type chrome://flags. Then press Enter. This opens Chrome's experimental features page where advanced settings are available. At the top of the page, you'll see a search bar. Type QUIC into the search field. Look for the option called Experimental QUIC Protocol or similar wording. This controls whether Chrome uses the QUIC protocol for certain network connections. If it's currently set to default or enabled, click the drop-down menu. To troubleshoot network issues, change it to disabled. After changing the setting, you'll see a relaunch button at the bottom of the browser. Click Relaunch to restart Chrome and apply the change. Now test your browsing. Open a few websites that previously had loading problems. If QUIC was causing the issue, pages should now load more consistently. If you don't notice improvement, you can switch the setting back. Go again to chrome://flags, search for QUIC and set it to default. Relaunch Chrome once more. In some cases, firewall or antivirus software may block QUIC traffic because it uses UDP instead of traditional TCP. If you use strict security software, disabling QUIC can improve compatibility. Also, make sure Chrome is updated. Click the three dots, go to Help Greater Than About Google Chrome, and allow Chrome to update automatically. Updates often improve protocol handling and performance. Remember, flags settings are experimental, so only change what you understand. If Chrome behaves unexpectedly, you can reset all flags by clicking Reset All at the top of the flags page. And that's how you configure QUIC protocol settings in Google Chrome step by step in 2026. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Chrome and tech guides, and I'll see you in the next one.